Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll be cooking one of our staple dish, sinigang, using salmon fish. And here are our ingredients. Of course, our salmon fish, onion and garlic, long green chili, tomato, for seasoning, salt and black pepper, spinach leaves, carrots, eggplant, lady's finger or okra, of course our long green beans. Now we're going to start preparing our vegetable ingredients. Usually we're using radish instead of carrots for this recipe, but because I don't have available radish at this moment, I've substituted it with carrots, which is equally nutritional in value and give vibrant color on our sinigang dish. Followed by our lady's finger. Just cut it in half. Our eggplant, put in a strainer and wash it into a running water, followed by our onion, garlic, our tomato. In this recipe, you can use as many vegetables as you want to add in this dish. This kind of sinigang is not a typical sinigang that usually use sampalok or tamarind or kalamyas as a sour flavor. In a cooking pot, boil some water and put our onion and garlic and bring it to boil. We're using sour apple in this recipe. Apple gives a sour taste but a rich, creamy taste as well. And have many nutritional value also to add on our sinigang dish. We'll be cooking it the same way as we are cooking on sinigang with tamarind or kalamyas as a sour taste flavor. Sinigang is a very popular dish in the Philippines because it gives a very relaxing and refreshing taste because of many ingredients of vegetable that were included in this recipe. Now, let's pour in our salmon fish on the pot. Also, our tomato, followed by our vegetable. Season it with salt and black pepper and our long green chili that gives a refreshing taste and feeling. With our apple, as our sour flavor. Just bring it to boil. And when it's boiling, let's press our apple to extract the flavor. Now, let's taste the soup. At this point in time, we can add our spinach leaves. And cover it. Also, we can turn off the flame at this time. Now it's ready. Just transfer it in a serving bowl and our sinigang na salmon sa Mansanas is now ready. Please guys, continue to support our YouTube channel to inspire us to upload more videos of DIY and cooking in the future. You can also visit our Facebook page, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad, Instagram and TikTok, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. This Filipino staple dish is easy and straightforward to prepare, yet full of nutritional value because of many vegetables that were included in this recipe dish. Thank you very much and enjoy with your family our Filipino staple dish, sinigang na salmon sa Mansanas. Thank you very much again. God bless and happy eating. Bye-bye!